moments later.
Sobrang init, nag-overheat siguro. One of my colleague have some problem with his electric bike. I think the motor is not working, so we need to find the taxi.
One eternity later.
This is our hero, Michael, the savior. Morning idol. So for today's video we're going to rides again in Yas, and for today's video I'm gonna share to you, I'm gonna break in my blatant EVO. So this time ay no wash out sa lahat.
Pasok na ako.
Sige Paps, ingat. This time I will try my blatant with the maximum speed of 50 to 70 kilometers, because we were going to Yas Mall, and Yas Mall is around 32 kilometers the range. Okay, so I will show you how many we are now. It's almost 20 persons here. Okay, so this is non-robot and Thunder, Explorer, Kaabu Mantis, Kaabu, Blade 10 and Blade 10, Viper, Yumi, DK, Blade 10, and this mini weapon. Mini weapon. Okay, Yumi, Blade 10, Wolf, and Yumi 11X. Yumi. Oh, briefing.
Ang overtake natin kaliwa, wala mag-overtake sa kanan. Kung magbabagal kayo, alam nyo na may mag-overtake kayo sa inyo, kakanan tayo para maka-overtake yung kakaliwa. Formation, sharp trunk ko, sunod mga babae, tapos tayo mga lalaki na. Walang walang kukuha ng way ng mga sasakyan. Doon lang tayo sa shoulder. Shoulder lang tayo sa umaga na to. As we gather around here, and we go to Yas.
This is our first stop to go in Yas Mall. Okay, so this is our first stop. So here we are. So the kilometers we did already is 13.7 kilometers. Still full bar with a battery voltage of 64.9, 64.3. Okay, so second stop already, and we are here. Okay, so my battery, let's check my battery.
Dalawang set.
So I did already, my battery voltage is 61.9 and plus 7.8 kilometers. Okay guys, so we are here already at Yas Mall. So this time we are here in parking, so we need to charge. And I will show you now my scooter, my battery percentage. Okay, so this is my Blade 10 EVO. Okay, so we did already. So my voltage is 59.5. Still have 3 bar. So as you can see, 3 bar. And then I did already 32 kilometers. I already charged my electric scooter. So let's wait for 2 to 3 hours to full charge. And guys, so we are here at IKEA, and then we're going to eat breakfast. So I'm already done with my charging. So my scooter is full charge. So let's check. After 2.5 hours, I did charging. So by the way guys, I'm using fast charger with a 5 ampere. Okay, so my scooter now is here. Okay, so 67.1. So full charge already. So we are going to ride out around okay guys, we are done already. We are here already in the city. So I feel so tired guys. We did already almost 1 hour from Yas Mall to city. Okay, so my battery is still 60 volts remaining. And that's all for today. So I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. And that's all for today. This is James signing out.